Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Meta AI models in your code. So basically we will learn how to use the Meta AI API. So I found this GitHub repository Meta AI API by Storm, and in this it's a Meta AI API wrapper. So this is how you can use it. So first you have to install this package called as Meta AI API, and then from Meta AI API we have to import the Meta AI class, and after that we have to create an object AI equals to Meta AI, then response equals to AI dot prompt. What will be the question, what's the weather in San Francisco today, and what is the date, and then we will print that response. So we will get a response like this, and then there are also follow-up conversations like print meta dot prompt what is 2 plus 2, then what was my previous question. So we can do this, and then we can also generate images, but for generating images you need an Facebook email and your Facebook password. And once you do get your Facebook email and Facebook password, then when you enter the prompt you will get a response like this. You will get 4 images, and one image might be like this. So we will do the first one, which is the simple prompt, which is what's the weather in San Francisco today and what is the date. So I'll open up Visual Studio Code and create a new file called as app.py, and here I'll open up the terminal and I'll install the package. I guess I have already installed it. Yes, requirement is already satisfied. Now what I'll do is I'll just copy this code and I'll just paste it here, and instead of what's the weather in San Francisco, I'll just ask who is Virat Kohli, and I'll just run this. Then we will get a response, and the response takes time because it's a wrapper, and like it's not an official API from Meta, so this will take time. Yeah, now you can see message Virat Kohli. Like you get a Wikipedia page, and then in media, if there is any media, and we also get the sources. So there are 3 fields: message, sources, and media. The sources is the Virat Kohli Wikipedia, and there is no media available. So if I just type response dot message and I'll run it again, so I'll just get the Virat Kohli is a renowned Indian international cricketer. I'll just get that info. I'll not get the sources and the okay. Dict object has no attribute message. Okay, so yeah, then we'll just keep it like this, and then we can remove the message and we can just keep it like this. And now we will do the follow-up conversation. So I'll just copy this code and I'll paste it here. So we are creating an object called as meta equals to meta AI. Now I'll run this. The first question is what is 2 plus 2. The answer should be 4, and then what was my previous question. Then it will tell me that your previous question was what is 2 plus 2. See, dude, that's an easy one. Lol, it's 4. And then you asked me what 2 plus 2 is. That was a pretty straightforward one. So this is how you get the response. These are the follow-up conversations. You can try many more things with this. You can try the warrior score in the last game, and then you can use a proxy, and then streaming response, and then you can generate images using your Facebook email and password. And you can explore this GitHub repository if you want. So I'll provide this link in the description, so you can check out this GitHub repository. And this is using the LLaMA 3 API 70 billion and 405 billion. Yeah, 70 billion tokens and 405 billion tokens. So you can see it's meta AI reverse engineered basically. So this was for today's video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, and if you want to see more such content, then make sure you hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.